How to know /change current directory in Python shell? I am using Python 3.2 on Windows 7. When I open the Python shell, how can I know what the current directory is and how can I change it to another directory where my modules are?
You can use the OS module. But if it's about finding other modules, you can set an environment variable called Python path, under Linux would be like. Then, the interpreter searches also at this place for imported modules. I guess the name would be the same under Windows, but don't know how to change. Edit? Under Windows. Taken from this URL. Edit to. And even better, use virtualenv and virtualenv_wrapper. This will allow you to create a development environment where you can add module paths as you like, add to virtualenv, without polluting your installation or normal working environment. This URL.
You want. In fact, OS.system can execute any command that Windows command prompt can execute, not just change dir.
The easiest way to change the current working directory in Python is using the OS package. Below there is an example for Windows Computer.
Changing the current directory is not the way to deal with finding modules in Python. Rather, see the docs for the module search path for how Python finds which module to import. Here is a relevant bit from standard modules section. The variable sys.path is a list of strings that determines the interpreter's search path for modules. It is initialized to a default path taken from the environment variable Python path, or from a built-in default if Python path is not set. You can modify it using standard list operations. Import sys breaktime equals once, greater than. In answer your original question about getting and setting the current directory.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.